Good morning, dear students. Welcome in social science class. Dear students, I have already sent you the introduction of this chapter, but today we are going to start a new chapter that is leisure time, a free or vacant time, where or what kind of activity we can do in that period of time. And it is very important time to take nap from the busy schedule or with the heavy workload. So it will helpful to regain our energy and to fresh our mind. So it is a very important chapter, leisure time. So we can start this chapter. Fun or recreation is essential after work. That is very important. Otherwise we will feel tired throughout the day. We need time to relax our body, refresh our mind. Different leisure time activities give pleasure and keep us busy also, because it happens many times whenever we are doing very heavy work or hard time we are doing. After that we feel relaxed, we want to feel relaxed, just like you people are also doing your assignments, your classes, your exams are also going on. So after doing all those busy schedule, you want to make yourself free, to keep yourself free for some time so that you feel happy, relaxed, and even fresh also. So leisure for free time is the time spent away from work for entertainment and relaxation. It can be anything, whether you want to do cooking, playing, dancing, movie, you watching movie, televisions, dancing, cleaning room, anything it can be which gives you pleasure. Leisure time activities are not new. The evidences from the excavation means to dig out, to find out things from inside the earth. Ancient towns of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa tell us that man has enjoyed different types of leisure activities. In earlier times, man played marbles. Marbles, the small balls, the students they have also played ball and dice, just like your Ludo, game for recreation or to fresh their mind. Leisure activities, traditional and modern, how it was and how it is now. Traditional leisure time activities followed in India were dancing, visiting far away, painting, and music. Martial arts like the judo and karate, hunting, to kill animals, swimming, chariot racing. Chariot racing means the carts, alright, like your rath, and wrestling, fighting were also popular that time, in ancient period of time. Most of these activities are still followed in modern times, except hunting, which has been banned by law to kill anyone. Many popular leisure time activities today are watching television and cinema, video games, working out in gymnasium, badminton, tennis, polo, etc. Polo means it is a kind of hockey while sitting on the horses. The players are playing hockey while sitting on the horses. Board games. This you people know very nicely these days. Shatranj is there, chess is there, Ludo is there, Carom is there. So earlier period of time people were used to play, but their name was different. Different types of board games have entertained many generations of Indians. Some board games like Shatranj and Chopper, you can see, have been a part of Indian history and mythology. Mythology means the history. They are still played in different parts of our country, along with many new board games like chess, Ludo, Scrabble. Scrabble means these are kind of board on which we can do scribbling, alright, scratching and all. And Pictionary. Pictionary, these are the pictorial things by which we can find out the images and their actions. Next we have here Adu Huli Ata. It is a South Indian game. The Tiger and Goat game of Karnataka helps to develop strategy and teamwork. One player controls 3 tigers while the other controls the flock of 15 goats. Next, we have Alugulu Main or Pallanguli is played in Tamil Nadu. It improves the skills of mental calculations and concentration. These are the different kind of games which are going to play in different states. Do you know all board games stimulate the mind, teach patience and concentration also? Because when we are doing board game, we are totally indulging in them. We are indulging ourselves in totally over there. That time we are quite patient also and showing our concentration also. They are inexpensive and easily available. They are quite cheap and easily available. Not that much cheap, but as compared to other games. Moreover, they are ideal for group activities when we are playing. You people are also playing in the school when you were coming to school that time. And might be you have seen movie also Jumanji and all that also they were playing their board game. Next we will continue in live class. Alright. We will do up to here only. Our boat races we will do in the next class. So this much all about today. Thank you.